Let's now move to the muscle attachment and insertion of the radius bone, which are providing the support and helps in the movement of the radius. On the proximal end, biceps brachii attaches to the radial tuberosity. Supinator, flexor pollicis longus, and the flexor digitorum superficialis attach to the upper third part of the shaft of the radius. We have extensor pollicis brevis muscle, abductor pollicis longus muscle, and the pronator teres muscle all attach to the midshaft of the radius. And on the distal radius, pronator quadratus muscle, the tendon of the supinator longus muscle attaches to the distal quarter of the radial shaft. The brachioradialis muscle is also present at the distal end of the radius.